Hi, this is Trade to Success University, and in this video I'm briefly going to go over spread. Now, spread is pretty much explained in the text above this video, but let me quickly reaffirm what we've just learned. Now here we've got a broker view, and spread is a pretty simple concept. You've got a buy price and a sell price. No matter what you're trading, you're going to have a buy and a sell price. And the spread is simply the difference between the buy and the sell price. Now don't get confused by all these numbers flashing red and blue here on the screen. It's just simply showing a change in price. So if we just quickly go to this screen right here, we see that here with euro against US dollar, we have a sell price of 1.2832, well, it's constantly changing, and we have a buy price of 1.2836. Now I'm only reading out the first 4 decimal places because the 5th decimal place is just a fraction of a pip. A pip is 0.0001, the 4th decimal place. So as you can see here, we have a spread of 2.4, 2.3, it keeps changing obviously when the numbers keep changing, but that means that the difference between the buy and the sell price is 2.2, 2.4 pips right now. Now let me just pause the screen here. Here we have euro against US dollar with a sell price of 1.2837 and a buy price of 1.2839. Now when we account for the 5th decimal place, which is what they're doing here, we have 1.28372 for the sell price and 1.28391 for the buy price. So that's 37.2 when I'm talking about pips, and 39.1. So when you look at the difference between 37.2 and 39.1, you get 1.9. And that is the difference they're showing here. Remember, a pip is the 4th decimal place. So here with euro against US dollar, 1.2837 to 1.2838 is 1 pip. So similarly, for USD JPY, we've got a sell price of 94.11 and a buy price of 94.13. So the spread is simply the difference between the buy price and the sell price. So if right now I wanted to buy the US dollar against Japanese yen, I would be paying 94.134, which is 94.13 as whole pips and 4/10 of a pip. Or if I wanted to sell, I would be selling at 94.11 and 3/10 of a pip. So whenever you're going to be buying or selling a currency or anything that you're going to be trading, you're going to get a buy price and you're going to get a sell price. The buy price is normally called the ask and the sell price is normally called the bid. So if we just go back to this view here, we see, let's say for GBP US dollar, we've got the sell price here and we've got the buy price here. And if you look at the 3rd and the 4th decimal place, they're enlarged. So you can actually have a look at what the difference in pips are quite quickly. So it's 1.5088 to sell and 1.5089 to buy. And of course you've got the fraction of the pips, which is the 5th decimal place, which are these smaller numbers. So if I just freeze the screen here, we've got 1.5086 and 5/10 of a pip for the sell price in GBP USD, and we've got 1.5089 and 2/10 of a pip for the buy price in GBP USD. So just remember that the 4th decimal place is the whole pip, and the 5th decimal place, which are showing here as small numbers, are fractions of a pip. Obviously it goes up from 1 to 10, so each number is 1/10 of a pip. So this 5 is 5/10 of a pip, so it's half a pip, and this 2 is 2/10 of a pip. Some brokers deal with only 4 decimal places, some brokers deal with 5. With the JPY pairs, we have the 2nd decimal places as the whole pips, and the third decimal places are your fractions of a pip. So with all other pairs we have the fourth decimal place as a pip, and with the JPY pairs we have the second decimal place as a pip. And that is simply what spread is, the difference between the sell price and the buy price, the bid and ask. So that's simply what the spread is. Let's go on to the next page now to continue with the module. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in the next video.